Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Online Learning. This video is related to upcoming mass hiring for 2025 batch and active hiring from top company. In the video, we will discuss about the 12 MNC mass hiring updates: TCS, Accenture, Infosys, Capgemini, Cognizant, Tech Mahindra, Deloitte, IBM, Wipro, LTI, Mindtree, HCL Tech and Hexaware. Like and share the video. Your one like motivates me to make more video, and I am sharing all the information with all of you that is related to the updated information. So this is the list of company we can expect hiring in 25. As we know that TCS NQT is announced. Okay, Infosys we are still waiting for the 2025 batch hiring. Okay, the system engineer opportunity on campus is announced, but we are waiting for the off campus, that is a college based or off campus. Tech Mahindra we are still waiting. Capgemini already announced the 2024 batch hiring. We are waiting for the 2025 batch off campus hiring. Wipro on and off campus hiring, multiple hiring. Cognizant on and off campus, Cognizant 2025 hiring is announced. Deloitte NLA OTN careers portal on campus hiring. Deloitte NLA OTN is posted, career portal hirings are also ongoing. HCL Tech also announced the hiring. Okay, that is related to SAP and other modules. MBA related hiring is also announced, and BE BTech related hiring also announced. LTI Mindtree on and off campus hiring. L&T and L&T EduTech 2025 batch college based hiring is announced. Accenture on and off campus we are waiting for the PADA System Application Service Associate. IBM AAC mass hiring we are waiting. On campus hiring is already announced, and Hexaware on and off campus hiring. So this is the total 12 company we can expect hiring, and this is one of the mass hirings. Okay, other than mass hiring, many of the candidates are asking these are related to the mass hiring, but what about the other company? So this is the list of other company. Total 33 companies are there, and one most important point, many other companies are also added, such like Solera company, currently test is ongoing. SHL is also on send the test. G-Span company, okay, Zulri company, they are also sending the test. ZS company, so Birla Soft hiring, hedged in by Deloitte, NPCI, KPIT, Zensar, CGI, CDEC, Honkins, Target, M3, EY, Benny, EPAM, RSM, Milliman, Zebia, Fractal, Zwar, Swiggy, Zomato, Rupee, Innofide, Insedo, Amazon, Flipkart, Zomato, Vistack, Ageverve, a Infosys company, previously announced the hiring for the 25 batch. We are waiting for the 25 batch hiring, previously announced for 24. Global Logica, Hitachi Group company, Infor, Netcore, Justpay, ZS, total 33 company, and more company will be added in this list. More than 50 plus company is hiring other than the mass hiring. That's why I suggest apply for opportunity which we are sharing on our channel. And if you want to see that all top MNC hiring process series, you can go to this videos: Accenture, TCS, Capgemini, Cognizant, Tech Mahindra, Infosys, total 12 mass hiring companies, examination process, all exam, what are the salary, on and off campus hiring process, everything is there. Okay guys, so let's discuss about the hiring type, through which types the company is hiring. On campus, that is the college based. Okay, if your college is eligible, you are eligible for opportunity. Off campus, that is mass hiring, careers portal hiring. Suppose the Solera company is a careers portal hiring, and they are hiring for currently for the 21, 22, 23, 24 and 25 batch, like 1 2 3 4 5, total 5 batches they are hiring. Referral hiring, okay, referral hiring, like I posted the referral hiring of Simons. Solera is also one of the referral hiring. Okay, walk-in drive, direct go to company office and attend the walk-in. Direct test hiring, in which no shortlisting is there and you can directly attend the test. Okay, so these are the hiring types from the company. Let's discuss about our one of the mass recruiter, TCS. What is the hiring calendar, roles and salary? So off campus hiring consists of TCS Pre NQT. Okay, let me zoom this. TCS Pre NQT, TCS HackQuest. Okay, TCS Pre NQT, TCS HackQuest, Code Vita Hackathon, MBA hiring, Smart hiring, Atlas hiring. And other exam is TCS Paid NQT. TCS Paid NQT is not for TCS Ninja and Digital. TCS Ninja package, Digital Prime package and Smart package is this. Okay, so Code Vita is generally arise in between September to November. Free NQT arrive between April to May, June to July. On campus exam, paid NQT 4 times in a year. one most important point that I have to mention in today's video, that for the 2025 batch, the free NQT is already announced. Okay, free NQT is already announced. MBA NQT is announced. BCA BSc smart hiring is also announced. BPS NQT is announced. MBA NQT is also announced. Atlas NQT is also announced. Sigma NQT is also announced. Okay, these are some of the NQT. Code Vita is also done. HackQuest is also done for the 2025 batch. Okay, so if the in future from the TCS, like by the in the upcoming next upcoming month, if there is any new hiring from the TCS, so they will share update. Okay, so I will share update with all of you that is related. Currently we are waiting for the TCS NQT engineering NQT result. Okay, so this is all about the update. And previously 21 to 24 batch, all hirings are completed by TCS team. Onboarding is ongoing. Let's discuss about our second company, that is Infosys. We know that this year, in the 2024 year, Infosys hired through generally on campus. Okay, they also announced the hiring for the 25 batch, that is a system engineer opportunity and specialist programmer opportunity. It is on campus. Okay, we are still waiting for the off campus hiring. In off campus hiring, we can expect three type of hiring: system engineer, digital specialist engineer, and SP specialist programmer. And one hiring is operation executive, that is for 3-year courses. This time InfyTQ is still not announced, that is a Infosys certification exam. Hack with Infy is announced, but it is a on campus. Okay, top colleges is already eligible. System engineer hiring on campus. Operation executive mass hiring is still not. Digital specialist and specialist programmer we are waiting. 3.6 LPA to 9.5 is the salary. System engineer to specialist programmer. Okay, and this is the hiring month for the Infosys. Okay, so guys, for the 2025 batch, we are expecting that in the upcoming month we can expect hiring from the Infosys, that is related to system engineer, that is related to DSE, and that is related to SP. Okay, so this is related to Infosys. Let's discuss about our next company, that is Tech Mahindra. Tech Mahindra is also one of the mass recruiter. Currently Tech Mahindra announced the manual testing opportunity. Okay, manual testing opportunity is for the 25 and for the 24 batch. Okay, and it is related to Ahmedabad location. It is manual testing, but generally Tech Mahindra mass hiring is associate software engineer and super coder. AC package is 3.25 LPA and super coder is 5.5 LPA. For the 2025 batch, AAC hiring is announced, but still we are waiting for the off-campus mass hiring. So in the upcoming month, we can expect hiring from the Tech Mahindra team, that is related to AAC and SC super coder. Okay, SC. Okay, super coder. AAC and SC super coder hiring we can expect from the Tech Mahindra team. And this is the hiring month from the Tech Mahindra team. They are hiring in on campus in August and in phases, and in off campus July and in phases. Let's discuss about our fourth company, that is Capgemini. Capgemini is currently hiring for the network engineer role, CSG role, that is a contact support group role. Okay, in which they mention you are from 2024, 2025 batch and previous batches you can apply. And network engineer hiring is generally for the 2024 batch. They also announced the software engineer opportunity, but for the hirings they are encouraging application from female candidates more. Okay, but many of the male candidates, they also apply for opportunity and they also they are selected for A4 analyst role and A3 role. Okay, so Capgemini generally hiring for superset mass hiring, that is analyst, network engineer hiring and software engineer XLR hiring. Okay, some of the branches like from the Capgemini team, non-tech hirings are also announced. Okay, non-tech hirings are also announced. Branch based hirings are also announced. You are from electrical instrumentation branches, they announced the XLR opportunity. Okay, so it will totally depends on their demands. Okay, analyst and senior analyst hiring in the on campus, and these are the hiring month. Analyst package is 4 LPA, senior analyst 7.5 LPA, software engineer 4 LPA, network engineer 4.25 LPA. So those link that is active from the Capgemini team, I will share in the description. Okay, let's discuss about our next company, that is Accenture. We know that every year Accenture hire for two role, that is a PADA, that is same as AAC, Package App Development Associate, and System Application Service Associate role. Okay, so these are the hiring month from the Accenture team, and Accenture off-campus hiring consists of PADA, SASA, Advanced Associate Software Engineer hiring 6.5 LPA. It is a on-campus opportunity, not off-campus. Hack Diva, that is a that is challenge for the women candidates, and innovation challenge. Okay, Accenture innovation challenge for all the candidates like in the next pass out, like 25, 26, 27 and the later batches. So according to the 2025 batch, still PADA SASA opportunity is not announced. So we are eagerly waiting for the 2025 batch hiring, and we can expect this hiring in the upcoming month, that is related to Accenture. Let's discuss about our next company, that is Cognizant. This time and in the last February, March, April month, Cognizant performed very well, and Cognizant come up with the 2024-2025 batch mass hiring. Mass hiring is Gen Z Next, Gen Z Pro. Okay, Gen Z Pro analyst trainee, that is for 23-24 batch, and trainee role as well, that is a careers portal hiring for the 22, 23, 24 batch. So this time Cognizant performed very well. From the last 2 to 3 years they not announced any of the proper hiring, but now this time they announced the proper hiring, and they announced they will hire the 20,000 freshers in 2025. So it is one of the breaking good news. This is the hiring month, and this is the on and off campus hiring. Okay, graduate trainee 3-year courses, Gen Z Next Pro, on campus and off campus as well. Okay, so this is the salary package. You can earn in Cognizant between 4 LPA, 5.4 LPA and 6.75 LPA, that is for the technical role. So Cognizant hiring is currently active, so apply for opportunity. It is one of the big hiring. Let's discuss about our next company, that is Deloitte. Deloitte completed the 2025 batch like opportunity, that is a national level assessment. Okay, and that is a open talent network. Okay, like we can expect hiring Deloitte Analyte, Deloitte OTN, Hedged-in recruitment. Hedged-in also announced the hiring for the 24-25 batch, and Deloitte role based hiring, that is from the Deloitte India, and that is from the Deloitte USI. Okay, so analyst trainee, associate analyst, and risk and financial advisory hirings are there. Okay, so in the upcoming month we can expect the hiring from the Deloitte, that is related to career portal, or if they announce the open talent network opportunity again, so totally depends on them. NLA they completed, and OTN I have to check they completed or not, mention in the comment section. So the thing is, career based opportunity you will see from the Deloitte, and you will receive the survey mail after applying, and after that your interview will be scheduled from the Deloitte team. So this is the process of Deloitte. Let's discuss about our next company, that is Wipro. That is a 8th company. Wipro also performed very well. Now they announced the 2025 batch elite exclusive hiring. Okay, exclusive means it is only for some of the colleges, but we are waiting for one of the mass hiring, that is Wipro Elite. Okay, so currently they are focusing on the 2024 batch. We are eagerly waiting for the 2025 batch hiring. WILP hiring is announced for the 2025 batch. Okay, that is a BCA BSc hiring. SIM hiring, that is for diploma candidates, 25 batch hiring is announced. Elite Turbo hiring is announced, but it is a on campus opportunity, and Star on campus opportunity totally depends on them. This is the hiring month, and multiple Wipro hirings is posted this year. Okay, Elite they posted, Turbo they posted, okay, WILP they posted, SIM they posted. So the thing is, 2025 batch, for the 2025 batch we are waiting for the technical hiring, that is a BE BTech ME MTech hiring, project engineer role. Okay, let's discuss about our 9th company, that is a IBM. Generally IBM is always hired through different medium. Okay, like associate system engineer, software developer and software engineer on campus, that is of 12 LPA. IBM is hiring for the associate software engineer. Okay, and the one most important point, currently they finished the 2024 hiring. They mentioned that like we do not have a, or we can say that the current requirement for AAC position is full and we can expect the new hiring in the upcoming month. So 2025 batch, we are eagerly waiting for the AAC hiring, and from the IBM these are the hiring month and we can expect hiring in the 2025 year. Let's discuss about our 10th company, that is HCL Tech. HCL Tech is my favorite company. Why? Because they announced the 2024-2025 batch skills based opportunity as well. Okay, graduate engineer trainee hiring will be a graduate engineer trainee hiring is remaining from the HCL Tech. This is for the 2025 batch and it is one of the mass hiring. Already for 2024 बैच it is posted. Guys, HCL Tech में अप्लाई करने में बहुत ध्यान रखना है because only one application is allowed, okay, on the HCL Tech career portal, like HCL Tech application portal. That's why if you are waiting for GET hiring, don't apply for other hiring. Graduate engineer trainee and postgraduate trainee, they are hiring. This is the salary packages for that, and 2025 batch we are eagerly waiting for graduate engineer training hiring. Let's discuss about the LT, LNT and LTI Mindtree. This is the L&T Mindtree Spark off campus hiring, engineering, non-engineering, L&T Technology Services, GET, PGET, DAT. Okay, MBA hiring is announced for the 2025 batch. Okay, branch related hiring is already announced. We are waiting for the BE BTech, ME MTech hiring. We are waiting for the BE BTech L&T Technology Services and we can expect hiring in the upcoming month. And this is the hiring month from the L&T team. Generally they are hiring for GET, PGET, DET and branch based hiring. Okay, let's discuss about our last company, that is Hexaware. In the Hexaware, currently they announced the IIT NIT opportunity for the SPGET 2025 batch, special postgraduate engineer trainee. It is abbreviation by me. Okay, and the 12 LPA is the package for that. IIT NIT students can apply. IMS off campus hiring is already announced, that is a 3-year courses. We are waiting for graduate engineer trainee and PGET, that is 4 LPA and 6 LPA, and this hiring is remaining for the 2025 batch. This is the update and this is the hiring month from the Hexaware. Okay, so I hope you like the video, and this video is related to hiring status and upcoming hiring from the top MNC. We will meet in the next video. Thanks for watching the video.